Have you ever wondered how Dimorphodon, a prehistoric flying reptile, reproduced and cared for their eggs? These fascinating creatures were early pterosaurs, soaring through the skies of our planet during the Jurassic period. Unraveling the mystery of their reproduction and nesting behaviors is akin to piecing together a jigsaw puzzle with many missing pieces. We rely heavily on fossil evidence and comparisons with modern relatives to fill in the gaps. Unfortunately, direct evidence is scarce when it comes to the reproductive strategies of these prehistoric beings, which means we often have to resort to educated guesses based on the data we have. This makes the study of Dimorphodon reproduction not just a scientific endeavor, but also a detective work that requires a fair bit of imagination and speculation. So, are you ready to dive into the world of these ancient flyers? Let's unravel the enigma of Dimorphodon's life cycle, starting from the very beginning, the mating season. Imagine a time, millions of years ago, when Dimorphodon males began their courtship display to attract females. The world was their stage and the sky their canvas. Likely these creatures, with their robust forelimbs and elongated fifth fingers, engaged in aerial displays. Drawing inspiration from modern birds and reptiles, we can envision Dimorphodon males soaring through prehistoric skies, performing breathtaking acrobatics, all in an attempt to catch the female's eye. These displays may not have been solely about showmanship. Often in the animal kingdom, such performances are a test of strength and agility, a sign of a robust mate who can protect the nest and contribute strong genes to the offspring. Imagine too the possibility of territorial fights. Our Dimorphodon males, with their strong jaws and sharp teeth, may have engaged in heated battles, each striving to secure the best nesting grounds for their potential mates. Once a pair was formed, the next step in the Dimorphodon life cycle was egg-laying. In a world of predators and harsh environments, where did Dimorphodon lay their eggs? This is a question that continues to mystify scientists. We can make educated guesses based on the behavior of modern species and the environmental conditions of the Jurassic period. One theory is that Dimorphodon, like today's sea turtles, buried their eggs in sand or soil. This technique would have offered two distinct advantages: protection from predators and a stable, warm environment for incubation. Imagine a Dimorphodon mother diligently digging a nest with her hind legs, depositing her precious cargo, and then carefully covering it over. However, it's important to note that this is only speculation. The fossil record is silent on the matter, as no definitive Dimorphodon nests or eggs have ever been found. This lack of concrete evidence only deepens the enigma of these fascinating creatures. After weeks of waiting, the moment of hatching finally arrives. This is where the next chapter of the Dimorphodon story begins. With the hatching of the eggs, the Dimorphodon's parenting duties would begin. Now let's delve into the fascinating potential behaviors of these prehistoric parents. Drawing parallels from modern reptiles and birds, we can hypothesize the Dimorphodon's approach to childcare. Firstly, it's possible that Dimorphodon were attentive parents, caring for their young much like today's birds do. This suggests that the hatchlings may have been altricial, dependent on their parents for food and protection until they matured. On the other hand, like many reptiles, the Dimorphodon might have left their offspring to fend for themselves immediately after hatching, implying a precocial nature. These hatchlings then would have been self-sufficient, able to hunt and survive on their own from a very early age. The truth likely lies somewhere in between, a testament to the adaptability and resilience of these creatures. Though shrouded in mystery, the life cycle of the Dimorphodon gives us a glimpse into the fascinating world of prehistoric life.